Hello and welcome. Thank you for coming. Sweet sewing inspiration to everyone. Today is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays, and we're going to talk about how or what you use to sew fleece. This is a French cherry sweatsuit fleece and it's medium weight. We're going to talk about today what needed to use and what length of the stitch. I have a video out showing this McCall's pattern and I had started, I believe I had started making this sweatsuit. So the needle size you use for a for fleece, not just the needle side, it has to be a ballpoint stretch or jersey needle. And you can use a walking foot. Now the size of the needles depending on the weight of the fabric, a size 80-12 to a 90, and even higher if there's a double fleece sided fabric. This is the beginning of the sweatshirt. This is a medium weight, like I said. A walking foot can be used for this project to manage the fabric and help the fabric and feed into the machine. You also want to extend or set your sewing machine at a millimeter length of 2 to 4 millimeters to avoid stretching or breaking of your threads. The type of stitches you should use for this fabric should be a straight stitch around areas that don't stretch, or a zigzag. I'm going to try mine first with a straight stitch. Zigzag is kind of slow for me. And fleece doesn't fray. See the edges? The cut edges? It doesn't fray, so it can be left raw or even. You can serge or zigzag for a nice finish. Here are the needles. I have organ needles. I have the 9014, the 8012, and the 116. And I'm going to test my fabric swatch out to see if any of my stitches are skipping or it just doesn't look right, too tight, so I can adjust it. Just the machine, sewing machine, or I need a different size needle. So that's it for sewing with fleece sweatshirt material. And if I have not put out the video, which I probably haven't because this garment is still laying on the work table, so I will be soon. Thank you for coming. I hope this information is helpful to anyone who's just starting their journey and anyone who needs that type of information. So remember to go to the channel and watch Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. It'll be something that I think some of us or all of us can revisit or use if you're just starting your journey. Thanks for watching Sweet Sewing Inspirations. I'll see you in the next video.